Hi guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Uniden BCT15X scanner. This is my first experience with these, but this will just be an unboxing and sort of like a brief overview of what's in here. I'm not really going to get into the review. I'll do a separate video on that. So here goes. Okay, so right here, it looks, this is going to be probably the, okay, so let's see what we've got here. We've got a little bracket, which is cool. I'm not sure how that works yet. And then we've got an antenna right here, so bracket, antenna, some screws, and then we've got a cable here. We've got a power adapter. This is a wall outlet style one. And then we've got some sort of cable here, which goes to a proprietary cable right there. And then we've got the typical, cigarette lighter, 12 volt. So those are sort of the accessories, if you will, that it came with. And if we look in here, tilt it this way, it slides out. We've got our owner's manual. It also comes with a CD here. And then we've got the actual unit. So let's look at how we can look at everything. Yeah, and then this is just cardboard, so we'll put that aside. So overall, really nice packaging. And here it is. So the BCT15X with trunk tracking technology. So yeah, this is what you get. You get your scanner, and you get all these, 12 volt, whatever this is. Just gotta figure that out. Little bracket here, which again, don't know how that works yet. We've got some screws, a wall outlet here, an antenna, and then some other cable. So yeah, I'll post a product review about this later. Thanks for watching.